Canada.
Canada. You have to wait for him to finish the question.
Well, like on the chase, you don't. You can hit
Fine.
button.
Okay, understood. Italy?
Does that mean, no, that means the camp before Croatia.
I wasn't here then, that's
At
unfair.
home in Wrexham, I think it was.
Bias.
Yeah. Hannah Kane and Carrie Jones.
Also wasn't there.
Maybe should we remember that?
I was driving home from Blackburn at the time, I didn't even watch it. True.
True, 47.
They didn't offer them.
Okay, you can have 1 point. I'll let you have one.
Yeah,
France,
France,
England,
England,
Netherlands.
I think that was a draw. We said it in the same
Yeah,
order.
we did.
Which is weird because that's not the order we're playing them in. We're on the same page today.
Scully.
Lucerne.
Is that the stadium name?
I don't know the stadium
that.
name.
Thanks.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't lose quizzes.